Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. Let's learn their names one per one. The first one is a starfish. This is a starfish. A shark. This is a shark. The next one is a stegosaurus. This is a stegosaurus. A king crab. This is a king crab. Octopus. This is octopus. Stingray fish. This is a stingray fish. A triceratops. This is a triceratops. A T-Rex. This is a T-Rex. A lobster. This is a lobster. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. A shark. This is a shark.